Do you feel sexy? Have you ever really thought about that? I just asked this question to a client who just signed up for my recent retreat called Spark Your Sexy. And she's like, I never thought about that before. What is your definition of being sexy? I'd love to hear comments below on what your definition is of being sexy. And if so, what makes you feel that way? Is it your clothes? Is it the way you move? Is it your energy? I remember I was coaching a guy and I was asking him who he found sexy was. And a woman walked by and she was super attractive, but he didn't say that he found her sexy. Another woman walked by. She was smiling. She was so comfortable in her body. And she gave him a little smile as she walked by. I said, do you think she's sexy? And he said, oh yeah. So I said, well, what was the difference? He's like, well, the first one was attractive, but I wouldn't approach her. The second one, she just felt comfortable in her skin. And I loved the smile she gave me. Think about that for you as you walk in the world, because it's about you and how you look in the mirror and find yourself sexy. If you want to know more about that, I do have a workshop coming up called Unleashing Your Sexy Confidence, March 26th. I would love for you to be there, and we're going to talk about attraction and magnetism as well. So just DM me. I'd love to help you.